Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm excited about this video because I get to go shopping for my friends. And thanks to JCPenney for being the sponsors of this video. I am shopping for my subscribers for the holidays. So I want to take you along with me as I pick some wonderful Christmas gifts for you. So let's get started. So it's time of an evening of shopping for my friends. I headed to my local JCPenney, and you know I went to the handbag department first. I wanted to get a handbag for all of my handbag girls out there. We love our handbags, so I thought this would be the perfect Christmas gift for you. And so in the section, they had amazing deals, amazing styles, as JCPenney always does. 50% off so many of their bags. What a great deal. So if you're trying to get that last minute shopping in for mom, sister, or whatever, this is a great source. And so my dilemma was figuring out what style, what color, because it's so many of you and you have different tastes and styles. I was like, what would be fitting for a large mass of people? So I will show you after my little shopping trip for you here what I actually chose, and I hope you love it. Now, I also wanted to get some jewelry because, again, you know, we have my bling girls out there. We love our jewelry. And I wanted to find something that had the three tones, the silver, the gold, and the rose gold. Because I find that this helps you when you're, kind of getting dressed for a church or for work. You have versatility because you have all three different metals and you can kind of style it, differently each day and mix it up. And it's a budget-friendly way to mix things up. And so, again, I'll show you towards the end what I chose for you, and I hope you like it. And of course, I had to get something for my cooking gurus out there, all of my friends that love to cook. And so I hit up the JCPenney home section, found so many great deals. I was so excited about that. But then I ran across these plates. For all of my ladies that like to entertain, or my guys that like to entertain, I found this dishware absolutely beautiful in the white, of course, like I love it, exceptional deal. And we all can use white dishware. So friends, I had such an amazing time shopping for you. I was just going through the store, seeing all the beautiful things. I love this bedding here. It was absolutely gorgeous, great for the holidays. And so I had the deal of a lifetime here. The $9.99 6-quart crock pot, it stopped me in my tracks. So I was like, okay, now this is what I call a deal. Great for that everyday meal. You can do your New Year's meal in it. This is a time saver. And so at $9, you can't beat it. So friends, then I wanted a gift for that person that just wanted to relax this holiday season. You're not trying to cook, you're not trying to decorate, all you're trying to do is kick back and relax with a nice bottle of wine. And so I said, okay, it's winter time, let me find some little cozy gifts. And so I wanted to find something that could store your wine and a little cozy and maybe some socks or a blanket. And I was looking for that plush item. And so they had so many things, and I was, I had to stop myself from shopping for me because I was like, no, it's all about you. And I found the cutest cozies. They had them in the sweater theme, they had them in the furry theme, and then my objective was to find coordinating socks. Now, I did pass the toy section, and I tell you, I used to love Barbies as a kid, but I am loving the versatility in the Barbies now. They're coming with short hair, and the skin tones are more realistic to, all skin tones. I love that. And the shapes and sizes are more realistic. I absolutely love that. And the only reason I am in the toy section, because my niece Savannah is crazy about these LOL balls. I don't know where they came from, but she is obsessed with these things, and so I had to pick her up one. So friends, these are the things I chose for you. I did go with the black work bag, the Liz Claiborne black work bag. The structure is just beautiful. I think that so many of you can use this, whether you're using it for work or even as a mommy bag. I love the gold hardware. It's just a simple bag, gorgeous bag, and it's plenty of room. Now, one thing that I looked at was the price. It was $84, but with it being 50% off, it made it extremely affordable. So this is a bag that really can take one of you a long way. So I'm excited about that. Along with what sold me on the bag when I was looking at it, because when I'm looking at bags, I'm looking for certain features. I love the big pocket that it had on the front, because I thought that you can put your phone in there and little items that you want to quickly and easily get to. And then it had the feet on the bottom, which was great. So I was happy about that. Now, as far as my friend out there that wants to just relax, I got you these cozy socks in a great price point. And all of these gifts I was trying to get in a great price point because I wanted to show you gift ideas too that you can find for your friends and family, because we all have different price points that we're shopping in. We all have different people that we're buying for. And what's great about JCPenney is it's a one-stop shop. They have all the variety of price points, and they have all the variety of items to fit everyone in your household, which saves you time and will allow you to spend more time with your family. And the dishes, you know, I was going to get that set of white dishes. I think it was like originally $60, and I got it for $15, friends. What an amazing deal. And along with the bracelets, I found the bangles in the rose gold, silver, and gold that I wanted for you. And excellent price point, friends. It was, I think, right at a $12 price point. So exceptional. And you knew I was not leaving there without that 6-quart, $9.99 crock pot. So I'm hoping that one of you can use that throughout the year. And this was such a fun and amazing shopping trip. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed all of the beautiful gifts that I chose for you. It was so much fun shopping for my friends. It was so much fun shopping for comment below so that I can choose the recipients for the gift. Along with this is for my subscribers only. Along with this is for my AtHomeWithNikki YouTube channel, and I'm so excited to be able to do this channel, and I'm so excited to JCPenney to be able to do this for you all. Thanks to JCPenney. I'll put the link in the description box. Definitely check that out. There's a link in the description box. Deals going on. If you're out there doing that last minute shopping, deals going on, and if you're out there doing that last minute shopping, you definitely want to jump on that because they really have some great deals. About one more gift, $100 gift card so that you can buy whatever you want. So I hope you all are doing great and having a magical holiday season so far. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.